slow taps as to not bend it like I did. One on the other side. Just like that. Oh my god, this one's rock hard. Ah.
Yeah.
It would probably help if I took the window crank off it.
Mm-hmm. Did you start with this one yet? Did you have an easier time when you went to the side?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Pull straight back. Hold on, Ben.
The trials and errors of
figuring out how dumbly complex this door mechanism is for no reason.
Just every part of the car, every time we try to tackle a new thing, it's just like, how is this gonna
there we go.
disassemble? Yeah.
Why is there it's
It's a tank. It's Mercedes.
All right, to the shed with you.
You wanna just fuck.
Gotta get 50-year-old painted over weather stripping off. We're gonna be forever cursing the people that did the bodywork previously on this.
Well, until we're done with it, and then we can forget.
It won't be that bad.
We can blissfully forget about it.
All right, save this clip of Ben saying it won't be that bad for later, so we can cut back to it.
I don't think it will.
When it's like,
it's not that rusty. You're sandblasting it, so it's not that rusty, so you don't have to care about the paint anyways. You're already ripping all the weather stripping out.
Ben, I needed my light.
Nah.
Those with some of the PV blaster.
Oh.
Nice. That was
You missed completely.
Wrong car.
Hey, no, I got a little bit on it.
Oh my god.
It gets everywhere.
You have to soak them, dude. They have to be soaked
Oh, okay.
for it to soak in. All right.
I can't get close. It's gonna get all over the lens.
Hello, what are you?
It's a pocket.
Hey, Ben, you contributed.
What is that?
It's a pocket.
That's the air conditioning duct that leads underneath the driver's seat. There's one on the other side, too.
You good?
No.
Wow.
What did you call me Harbor Freight?
Yeah. That's kind of an insult, I guess.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this poor light. Hear that nice, satisfying metal noise? Might be a bit.
Good and hearty after that.
It needs more, it needs to be blasted.
No.
You know what you're reminding me of right now, Derek?
What?
On
Push in a little bit for me?
On those vet shows where they are elbow deep in a
A
cow's
cow.
bum. That's what
Birth
you're
in a calf.
Yeah, that's what Derek's doing right now. Birth in a Mercedes.
You need one of those gloves that goes all the way up to your
Ow, ow,
armpit.
ow, ow, ow. Pick the door back up.
I don't know what I'm doing. Oh,
Okay,
hey,
ow.
there you go.
I was like, you were pitching my hand.
You don't need that.
The calf is birthed.
You don't need that.
You're a dad. Oh wait, does that door already have vents in it?
Oh yeah.
The one that was bad. It's
I'm so lazy. I'm in my slippers.
wick. Like Jeff. People are gonna like, if this will never happen. I wouldn't wish this upon anybody. Like, you two mysteriously disappear. They open up these car parts. They're probably really confused.
Alright,
Trying to find a place for them to live.
You don't need your hose, do you?
we can set them up against here for now, and then when it's warm out, we can actually pull
What's all
everything.
this now? Oh, is that,
That's my dad.
that's your dad.
Welcome to the BMW Mazda Hector
BMW
Work.
Mazda.
shed place.
Mostly German shed, somewhat Japanese shed.
Deutsch.
There's like
Deutsche.
half an R7 in here.
Deutsche
There's
shed.
a priceless BMW dashboard.
Yeah. No.
And some hanging
Cut
bikes.
that bit out.
Yeah, that's.
Nobody needs
There's
to
a
know.
priceless.
Yeah. Nobody needs to know. Alright, let's go get a video of with the doors open.
Yay. All the things. Living
I
that
think you should just stay
Jeep
like this. We'll
life.
take the other two doors off and live that Jeep life. Take a corner and fall out. Like, or out the other side.
Since they don't have
get the left
seatbelts.
front tire.
Oh! She's well flat.
Nice.
Look at all the dry rot.